Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about one popular interview question in recent days. So what is that? How to filter list of employees based on their salaries using Stream API and without using Stream API. So recently, nowadays frequently they are asking this type of question, friends. So that's why I wanted to make a video on this one. Okay, it's a trending question, friends. So you have to prepare, you have to practice this question. Okay, let's get into the project, friends. So what they're asking, we have an employee object. So let me create one package. So the package name is, say, I'm taking com dot say interview. Okay, so package has been created. Let me take one employee class here. So it may be they asked employee class, like it may be anything. It may be a customer, it may be a product, it may be a student, like that. It may be anything, but I am taking employee class. So what are the fields I have? Say private, say long emp id, and private string emp name, and private say long salary, and finally I want gender, friends. Gender is a enum, so that's why what I am doing is gender. Say gender, friends. So gender is not a class, it is a enum. Let me create one enum for this one, and it will accept male and female only. So create enum. So one enum has been created. The only allowed values are two values. What are those, friends? Say male and female. So 1 minute. That's it, friends. Okay. Let me create setters and getters. So select all the things. Right click on this. Choose source. After that, generate getters and setters. And select all, friends. Click on OK. Okay, I created one class, friends, and the gender I created one enum as well. This enum will accept only two values, only male and female. Okay, let me take one class, friends. Let me take one test class to test one, this one. So in interview, right click on this, create one class, and the name of the class is test. I want main method as well, so select that one, click on finish. Now class has been created, friends. Now what I am doing is I want to create multiple objects. See here, say employee emp1 equal to new employee, friends. Likewise, I am going to create how many objects? Two, three, four objects I am going to create, friends. If you want, you can take more number of objects as well. So by using, I'm not taking any constructor to initialize the values. Just I am using setters and getters. So what are the methods, friends? emp1 set employee id. Employee id is 101. emp1 set a employee name. Just I am taking a. After this emp1 set salary, friends. His salary is 10,000. Say emp1 dot set gender, friends. Gender is a enum value. So how to give, friends? Gender dot is a male employee. That's it. So I prepared data for which one? Only one object. For what about the second employee, friends? emp2 dot set employee id. His employee id is 102. emp2 say dot set emp name. Friends, see here, I created four objects. So what are those? Employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, employee 4, and in that two male employees, and I have taken two female employees. So first one, employee ID 101, name is AAA, salary is 10,000. In the second object, what is that? 102, his name is BBB, salary is 20,000, gender is male. So what about employee 3, 103, and name is CCC, salary is 30,000, gender is female. So what about employee 4, 104, and the name is DDD, salary is 40,000, and gender is female. So I have taken only four employees. In the two male employees, two female employees. If you want, you can take 10 or 20 employees. You can take it, friends. You can set the data. Now I am taking one list, friends. Say list. So this list accepts only employee objects, and emp list equal to new array list, and let me import all the things. Let me import this one java.util array list also import it friends. That's it. So once it is done, then what will be happen? I am adding all the objects into employee list. How to add it? Very simple friends. Say 101, I mean sorry, employee one. So just copy here. How many objects? Two, three, four objects. Say two, three, and four objects, friends. Suppose if you have 10 objects, you have to add all 10 objects. If you have 20 objects, you have to add all 20 objects here, friends. That's it. The question is, I want, I want, employees, list of employees. I want list of employees who is drawing more than 10,000. So this is the requirement, friends. See, what I am asking, friends, list of employees I'm asking. So next my requirement will be different. So that's why carefully observe here what I am doing here. So first emp list, I am getting stream object, friends. Stream object I got it. After that you have to filter. So filter you have to predicate means just write lambda expression. So I am writing e arrow. So what is that condition, friends? What do you want? E dot get salary I am taking, friends. What is the condition is greater than 10,000? Then what will be happen? So filter method will filter all the records. So I have four records. In that each and every record it will check who is having more than 10,000 or 10,000. It will give you the list of records. So what we need to do? We need to collect all the records. In that I have how many objects, friend? Four records. In that four records, only three employees are having more than 10,000. So I have three records. Okay. It is asking, boss, I have three records. In which format you want? I am saying that collectors dot say to list. I need in which format, friends? List format. That's it only. So it will give you, it will return one list. So how to get it? Say list of employee. So add it. So what is it? Filtered, or you can take some list only. That's it. So if you want, you can display, friends, system.out.println list. What will be happen? List of employees will be displayed. That's it. So here object is displaying, but I want to display the data. Then what will be happen? Very simple, friends. Go to employee class and override toString method. So how to override? Very simple. At the rate of override say public string toString, friends. In this one, what I am doing is just I am displaying all the values system.out.println. What is that? Employee ID and employee name and employee salary and gender dot. So till employee salary only I am displaying, friends. So here what I am doing is if, okay, employee salary, I think employee salary is not there. Say salary only. Let me go to test.java. 1 minute. What's the error here? I am displaying here. Instead of displaying, you have to return it, I think. So return. That's it, friends. I'm not displaying here. Just I am returning this one only. Let me execute this. Perfect. Say this is 20,000, 30,000, and 40,000. So it is returning this filter. I mean, this team API is returning what the list of employees. Suppose if they don't want all the list of employees, they want only list of salaries. Then what I want? So there is a, I mean, condition is like the here, friends. So I want list of salaries who is drawing more than say 10,000. Then what will be happen? Very simple, friends. See here. First I'm taking the list. In that list I am getting stream object. From this one what I am doing here? Filter. What is the predicate friends? Same condition, e arrow like e dot say get salary. What is the condition here? You can put 10,000 or 20,000, whatever it may be. After that, what I am using here, I am taking map friends. In that map, what I am doing is, see here, e arrow. What do you want? You have to give that one. I want 1 minute, not class. I want salary. That's it. So if you want names, you can get e arrow e dot get name. If you want ID, you can get it ID, like that only friends. So once if you get, what will be happen? You will get list of list of records. You have to group it and you have to in which format you want. So collect method will collect all the things. So it is asking, boss, I have group of records in which format you want. I want to list only. That's it friends. So it will return what is that, list only. Say 1 minute, list. What is the return type of this salary? Long I have taken. So long wrapper class you have to give, and what is it, salary list only friends. Okay, and if it is too long, then nothing friends, just break it, and you can see here friends. Here also you can understand what I am doing. Very simple friends. By using list, I am getting stream object. On the stream object, I am using filtering. On what basis? On salary basis. What is the condition? Greater than 10,000. After that, what will be happen? I am passing this one to map only. Map is what it is doing. So if you want all the things, directly you can pass it to collect. I don't want all the objects. I want only list of salaries. That's why I'm extracting salaries. So now once if you get the salary, I am passing that information to collect method. Collect method is collecting all the things, and a collectors are to list. In which format? I want list format. That's it friends. So if you want, you can display here system.out.println say salary list only. See here friends, let me execute this one. Yes, in the previous case we got list of employees objects. In this case I got only salaries. So not only salaries, whatever you want, you can write it here, you will get it friends. That's it. And the next time I like they asked us what is that without steam API also, they asked that is also very simple friends. And in the next video I'll try to do that one. If you want, please let me in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to do that one as well. Or else, yeah, please wait, I'll do now itself friends. Very simple. Let me comment all the things here. Let me comment friends, and 1 minute. So what I am doing here, employee list. First what I want, iterator object I want. So I am creating one cursor, iterator. How to get the iterator object? Say emp list dot, what is the list friends here? Iterator, you have to get it. I got iterator object. So let me import it, package as well. What is that? Util package. Once if you got in the iterator, I have two methods. What are the methods here? While loop I am taking, I don't know how many objects are there. Assume that iterator dot has next. It will it will give you true or false. If the next record is available, it will give you true. Otherwise, it will give you false. System dot out dot println. And what I am doing here, iterator dot next object. What it is displaying. Let me display you friends. See list of objects I am getting. So from this one, what I want to convert into employee object. Say employee emp equal to, what is that? Say employee itr dot next. So now I got employee object friends. What is the condition here? Emp dot get not class friends. So salary is greater than, what is it, 10,000. Then what will be happen? Nothing friends. System dot out dot println. I am trying to display emp dot get salary. I am trying to display that one only. Okay, if you want in the list, then what will be happen? Nothing, just create one list object. How? List say salary list equal to new array list friends, and that's it. And if you want, you can take generic as well. What is the generic friends? Long. Salaries are in long only, right? That's fine. Here instead of displaying, what I am doing here, I am taking salary list dot add of emp dot get salary. That's it, friends. And if you want only list of employees, no need to do anything, friends. Inside, just add only employee object. I want salary, that's why I have taken emp dot get salary. So if you want only employees, just add employee object. That's it, friend. Just you have to change long to employee. Whatever you are adding, take that one and add here itself, friends. So once it is done, then what will be happen? Come back here and system.out.println. I am displaying what is that salary list. See here, friends. For the 2000, 3000, 4000. Okay, I hope you understood. In the next, I mean, in the next video, what I want to do is, friends, if you see here, I have list of employees and male employees and female employees. By using STEAM API, I want to group. So male employees, like I want to, by using Stream API, I want to group the employees. And how? I mean, as a gender wise, I will use gender as a key. That means key, what is that? Male, one group, and a female list of employees. So like that, I will create one map like this, friends. I will create one map. So what is that? In this one, gender is the key and list of employees. List of employees is the like this. I'll return one map, friends, by using what is that Steam API. So in the next video, I'll do that one. Already the length is more. The video length is very more. Is more, friends. That's why I'm not doing. Okay, like if you are not understanding, if you feel I'm teaching little bit fast, let me know in the comment section. Definitely, I'll try to decrease my speed and I'll try to explain in a better manner. Okay, thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching video, and don't forget to practice such type of programs. Definitely, you will get these things, friends. Definitely, they are asking. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching my video.